The Bentley Brooklands is a distinguished nameplate in Bentley's history, representing two distinct luxury vehicles produced during different periods: a four-door saloon from 1990 to 1990 and a two-door coupe from 2008 to 2011. Bentley Brookland Saloon 1990 to 1998. Introduced in 1992 as a successor to the Bentley Mulsanne and 8 models, the Brookland Saloon was designed as a more affordable alternative to the Bentley Turbo R. It featured the classic Bentley aesthetic with a waterfall grille, dual headlights accompanied by wraparound parking lights, and the signature descending boot lid. The interior was adorned with premium wood veneers and leather, emphasizing luxury and craftsmanship. Specifications: engine, 6.75-liter Rolls-Royce V8. Transmission, 4-speed automatic. Dimensions: length, 5,370 millimeters. Wheelbase, 3,160 millimeters. In 1996, a light-pressure turbocharged version was introduced, boosting the engine's output to 300 bhp the following year. The Brooklands R variant debuted, incorporating suspension enhancements from the Turbo R model and maintaining the turbocharged engine. Bentley Brooklands Coupe 2008 to 2011. Reviving the Brooklands name, Bentley unveiled the limited edition Brooklands Coupe at the 2007 Geneva Motor Show. This two-door, four-seater hardtop coupe was a testament to Bentley's commitment to handcrafted luxury and performance. Production was capped at 550 units to ensure exclusivity. Specifications: engine, 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged Bentley L-Series V8. Power, 530 bhp at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Torque, 1,050 Newton-meters at 3,250 revolutions per minute. Transmission, reinforced 6-speed ZF automatic with Tiptronic manual mode. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour, 5.0 seconds. Top speed, 296 kilometers per hour, 183.9 miles per hour. Dimensions: wheelbase, 3,116 millimeters. Length, 5,411 millimeters. Width, 1,900 millimeters. Height, 1,473 millimeters. Curb weight, 2,650.5 kilogram. An optional carbon fiber reinforced silicone carbide SiC ceramic composite braking system with 14-inch SGL carbon brake discs was available, enhancing braking performance. The Brooklands Coupe's design paid homage to Bentley's rich coupe heritage, featuring a pillarless hardtop design that eliminated the B-pillars, resulting in a sleek and uninterrupted profile. The floating rear screen was a nod to traditional coach building techniques, achieved by hand-welding the rear wings to the C-pillars. Both iterations of the Bentley Brooklands exemplify the marque's dedication to luxury, performance, and craftsmanship, making them highly sought after by enthusiasts and collectors alike.